This is a true story. For 15 years, Shades Brewing supplied the state liquor authority and never once had a product delisted. Then the notice came. One of their rotational beers was being pulled from the shelf. No warning. And a fresh batch was already in the tanks with nowhere else it could legally sell. Here's the painful part. The state publishes its sales data. Shades just couldn't read the volume of it. And the real cause of the weak numbers? The beer had quietly gone out of stock. A product that isn't on the shelf can't sell. So they built KettleiQ to never be in the dark again. This is how KettleiQ keeps you on the shelf. Its MRP watches every product's coverage against real demand, distributor by distributor, taproom by taproom, and flags the shortfall before you run out. The stockout that crushed their velocity? Caught days early, with the order to cover it already drafted. And it reads the state's own sell-through for you. Velocity, category, and price per product, per store. That's how Shades chose their comeback release. Not a hunch, but the lane the data showed wide open. A high-velocity style, few competitors, and the premium price the market was already paying. They built the appeal on that data, and it worked. The buyer reversed the delisting and credited the plan to guide every future rotation with current sales data. 15 years of shelf space kept. That's the point. KettleiQ isn't one more app you operate. It's how you hold your shelf space and win the next slot. Put your real numbers in and see where you stand.